Good morning to all of you. Today we study about introduction of physics. Okay, first we know what is physics. What is physics? Physics is the branch of science. Physics is the branch of science in which we study about matter, energy and law of nature. Okay, physics is the branch of science in which we study about matter, energy and law of nature. Okay, first we have to know what is matter. Okay, then what is matter? What is matter? Anything having mass and occupying some space is called matter. Anything having mass and occupying some space is called matter. Anything having mass and occupying some space is called matter. Okay, here duster is a matter, that pen is also a matter because it has mass and occupying some space. Okay, then matters are divided into different types. What are they? Depending upon state, matters are divided into solid, liquid, gases, then plasma state, then Bose-Einstein state. Bose-Einstein state. First, in +2 you study about solid, liquid and gases. Plasma state and Bose-Einstein state you study in higher class. Okay, first you know what is solid. What is solid? Solid is the substance having definite volume and definite shape. Okay, then what is solid? Substance having definite volume and definite shape is called solid. Okay, substance having definite volume and definite shape is called solid. Then what are the example of solid? Duster, chalk, iron, pencil, wood, these are the example of solid. Then we go to liquid. What is liquid? What is liquid? What is liquid? Substance having definite volume but no definite shape. Substance having definite volume but no definite shape. Is called liquid. Okay, are called liquids. Then what are the example of liquids? The example of liquids are milk, water, oil, okay, mercury. These are the examples of liquid. Then we go to gases. Okay. What is gases? What are gases? Gases are the substance having neither definite volume nor definite shape. Neither definite volume, neither definite volume nor definite shape, nor definite shape. Then substance having neither definite volume nor definite shape are called gases. Okay, what are the example of gases? Gases are generally hydrogen gas, carbon dioxide gas, okay, nitrogen gas. Okay, so these are the example of gases. Then other two state we study in higher class. So generally in physics we study about matter, energy and law of nature. We complete the study about matter, then we go to energy. Okay. What is energy? What is energy? The capacity of doing work is called energy. Okay, the capacity of doing work, the capacity of doing work is called energy. Okay, what is energy? The capacity of doing work is called energy. Then what are the types of energy exist in nature? There are different types of energy exist in nature and they transfer from one form to another form. What are they? The examples of energy are first kinetic energy. You know that kinetic energy. Then potential energy. There are different types of example. Potential energy, there are different forms. Potential energy, mechanical energy, and other types of energy are atomic energy, okay. Then these are the examples of different types of energy. There is also other example of energy. Okay, then we study about, first we know what is matter, then we know about energy. Energy is the capacity of doing work. Then there are different types of energy exist in nature and they can be interconvertible from one form to another form. Okay, then we go to law of nature. Law of nature. What is law of nature? What is law of nature? What is law of nature? The natural event occurring in nature. The natural events occurring in nature, are called law of nature. What is law of nature? The natural events occurring in nature are called law of nature. What are they? What are the examples of law of nature? The law of nature are, first, earth revolves around the sun. It is also a law of nature. Earth, okay, earth revolves around the sun. Okay, this is an example of law of nature. Earth revolves around the sun. Then other examples are oil floats on water. Oil floats on water. It is also an example of law of nature. Okay, other examples of law of nature are water flows from higher level to lower level. Okay, water flows from higher level to lower level. Higher level to lower level. Okay, it is an also example of law of nature. And other example, iron expand on heating. Iron expand on heating. Okay, it is also an example of law of nature. Okay, then other example, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. It is also an example of law of nature. So these are the example of law of nature. So we study about definition of physics. In physics we study about matter, energy and law of nature.